In today's hyper-competitive landscape, a static strategic plan is akin to navigating a stormy sea with a compass stuck on north. To thrive, not just survive, your strategic plan must be as dynamic as the market itself. Ensuring your strategic plan remains adaptable in a rapidly changing business environment is a critical challenge facing leaders today. A rigid plan can quickly become obsolete, leaving your organization vulnerable to disruption. The key lies in building a strategic framework that is flexible, responsive, and future-oriented. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest releases. Here are key strategies to enhance your strategic plan's adaptability. 1. Embrace a growth mindset. Cultivate a culture that views change as an opportunity, not a threat. Encourage experimentation, learning, and continuous improvement at all levels of the organization. 2. Scenario planning. Develop multiple potential future scenarios to anticipate challenges and opportunities. This proactive approach allows you to prepare contingency plans and pivot swiftly when needed. 3. Agile methodology. Adopt agile principles to break down your strategic plan into smaller, manageable objectives. This enables frequent evaluation and adjustment based on emerging trends and feedback. 4. Data-driven decision-making. Leverage analytics to monitor key performance indicators and identify emerging patterns. Data-driven insights inform timely decisions and course corrections. 5. Build a resilient organization. Invest in your team's skills and capabilities to adapt to change. Foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and problem solving. 6. Regular review and evaluation. Schedule periodic reviews of your strategic plan to assess its alignment with your evolving business objectives. Be prepared to make necessary adjustments. To further strengthen your strategic adaptability, consider these additional strategies. Strategic partnerships. Collaborate with external partners to access new knowledge, resources, and perspectives. Innovation hubs. Create dedicated spaces for experimentation and idea generation to foster a culture of innovation. Risk management. Identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies to protect your organization from unforeseen challenges. Implementing these strategies requires a structured approach and deep understanding of strategy and governance principles. If you're ready to transform your strategic planning process and build a truly adaptable organization, I invite you to explore my consulting services and online courses. For more insights and practical advice on governance and strategic adaptability, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. By following these guidelines, you can create a strategic plan that not only survives but thrives in an ever-changing business landscape.